This winter's lack of snow is canceling an annual event in Maine. The Can-Am Crown International Sled Dog Races, usually held in Fort Kent. They were scheduled to start this Friday and run through the weekend, but organizers, they say that there's just not enough snow coverage on the trails. The event normally brings thousands and thousands of spectators there. And with that, 17 minutes after the hour, Mr. Wooten is joining us right now. You know what was funny is that on Friday, you had a graphic that you made. How many days did we have below 32 degrees in February? It's only just a few, right?
Zero.
Yeah.
No days have been below freezing. Yeah, very good.
But that's wild.
Typically, we would have at least 8 days. We have had 0 days where our high temperatures have been below 32 degrees. That's not the only thing, though, with climate change, too. We're seeing a warming of our winter. Winter is the fastest warming season here in New England, so that comes as no surprise as to why they're having to cancel that race there. And by the way, we know that climate change also takes an economic toll. You guys just mentioned that thousands of spectators typically come to something like this.
Great point.
And not even in Aroostook County, Maine. Even here in southern New England and Boston, we're about 26 or 27 inches of snow below the norm for the season, and the season ends at the end of February. So on Thursday, we'll see the close of meteorological winter. Now, there is still some precipitation between now and then, but the bulk of what falls will fall in the form of rain showers, and we see that likely coming through on Wednesday with the lion's share of everything. There will be a brief chance of some snow on the backside, so we're in a very turbulent time as we've got a lot of warmer air coming in first and then colder air coming in for the middle of the week. So the warm air pushes in today. That continues. Highs have already surpassed 50 degrees today. It's a quick shot at the cold. We get into another warmer sector of air as our next rainmaker pushes through. I think this will actually be just south of us as we go through Friday evening and Saturday. So still a lot of warmth, a lot of rainfall to get through with just a little bit of cold air. So if you like spring or maybe March to April like warmth, today is certainly the day for you, and it gets even warmer on Tuesday and Wednesday at 54 degrees right now in Boston. Lawrence is at 55. Norwood at 56 degrees there in Canton as well, 53 in Bedford. One of the cooler spots on Martha's Vineyard right now in Nantucket in the mid to lower 40s. But for everyone, we were significantly warmer than 24 hours ago. Think back to what you were doing this time yesterday. Maybe you're going for a walk through Back Bay or having lunch outdoors. I think everyone certainly had a nice time outside today as temperatures are 23 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. And remember, that's not the limit of our warm-up. So as we get into the evening, yes, we anticipate temperatures to cool down, but still just shy below freezing by about a degree or two. So the feels like temperatures aren't too terrible tonight. We're not frigid. We're just right around 30 to 33 degrees. Through the height of the afternoon tomorrow, our feels like temperatures are back into the 50s yet again with more sunshine on the way. The flow out of the south that brought those gusty winds today, 15 to 25 miles an hour, that's also ushering in moisture, and we can measure that by the dew point. The lower this number, the more comfortable it feels outside. Desert-like air masses at times when the dew points are in the teens to single digits. But watch what happens through Tuesday evening and into Wednesday. The dew points surge back up into the 50s. So the humidity is going back up in the days to come, and that will spur our rainfall odds or chances, specifically Tuesday night through much of the day, Wednesday on and off, and then ultimately finishing by Thursday morning, some 1 to 2 inches of rainfall from Bristol County through Plymouth County and across Cape Cod, closer to an inch or perhaps an inch and a half in and around Boston, Framingham, and Natick, and then lesser amounts to the north and west. We're still trying to get our grasp on this system because it's just now impacting the Pacific Northwest, but I think it may look a little something like this Tuesday evening, where the showers start to push through first across the south coast and Cape Cod, and then more moisture moves in on the backside. This is now 6 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. Still, the bulk of everything is way out of view, but it's on the way. And when it picks up, you will know it. We will also have gusty winds. I'll talk about that in the next half hour. And yes, your eyes do not deceive you, a chance of snow as the cold air catches up with some remnant moisture. So we are going from the 60s down into the 20s and 30s. Watch how quick this happens. This is 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Wednesday. We're at 58 degrees. Here comes the cold. Track it. By 2 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, everyone's temperatures are below or at freezing. But it's just for one day. Even by the end of the day on Thursday, we do see the temperatures rebound and bounce back up into the upper 30s, 40s for Friday, 50s into the weekend, nearing 60 yet again. And it seems like the warmer air is here to stay, too, as we round out February and get deep into March. We'll talk about the second half of the 10-day forecast, why it's likely to be warmer, and the first alert, too. It's not just for the rain. Remember, it's also the damaging wind potential.